10 jobs that will exist in 2075 but don't exist today. In-depth analysis. The world in 2075 will be shaped by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, biotechnology, space exploration, and climate engineering. 7. Personal AI Curator, why it will exist. By 2027, people will rely on AI to manage their digital lives, requiring experts to ensure their AIs align with their values. What they do: customize personal AI assistants to match users' personalities, filter digital experiences based on ethical preferences, manage AI decision-making to ensure fairness and transparency. Ethical concerns. AI bias could reinforce social inequality. Companies could create AI echo chambers that manipulate users. 8. Martian Habitat Designer, why it will exist. Humanity will establish permanent colonies on Mars and other celestial bodies, requiring specialized architecture. What they do: design radiation-proof, self-sustaining habitats, create artificial gravity solutions for long-term health, incorporate psychological well-being into off-world living spaces. Ethical concerns. Potential for social stratification between Earth and Mars citizens. 9. Memory Surgeon, why it will exist. By 2075, we will have the ability to edit human memories, allowing for selective deletion, enhancement, or implantation of memories. What they do: help trauma victims erase painful memories, implant artificial memories for learning or training purposes. Ethical concerns. Risk of memory manipulation by governments, potential loss of human identity due to excessive memory alterations. 10. Virtual Historian, why it will exist. History will be experienced through fully immersive VR recreations, requiring experts to ensure accuracy. What they do: recreate ancient civilizations using AI-generated models, allow people to experience history firsthand. Ethical concerns could lead to rewriting history for propaganda. Conclusion: these jobs reflect a future where humanity is deeply connected to AI, space, and biotechnology. The ethical concerns highlight that progress comes with risks, requiring careful regulation. Which of these future careers excites you the most? Drop in the comment. If you are interested on the complete list, subscribe to our channel for more.